Okay, we're going to be exploring that alley. There's an alley right down that way. We're going to walk over there and see what it's all about. And we're kind of in the Senado Square area. Really beautiful part with some beautiful music. Okay, stay tuned and we'll go down that alley. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. So we're in the beautiful city of Macau. So we're in this Senado Square area. So this is actually called Senado Square, this area that we're in right now. And then San Malo is this larger region. And it goes all the way up to Sao Domingo's church and all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins. And what we're going to be doing, nice dog right there. What we're going to be doing is going up that alley. It's nice. It's really nice. It's cool. Okay, so we're kind of in the central part of Macau. This is called Travessa de Misericordia. See it right there, right? I think the mercy house is in this way. Apologies for that little blinking light. It has something to do with a filter that I'm not really sure about. Oh yeah, we got lots of that yellow and that blinking now. But we're gonna go up the street anyways because this is our focus. We'll have to deal with that. Maybe move the camera up a little bit. You see those beautiful balconies? Oh, okay, that's part of the pharmacy, I believe. I think this guy is filming up here, I think. No, he's mopping. He's got some residential apartments. It said advogados, lawyers. So we're gonna go all the way up. And I'm not sure there's a meteor here, so we're gonna go see what this is all about. Another lawyer. Let's see here. 1500s. Okay. So you can see up here, you're doing some construction on the other side. You can barely see that. And then you have these balconies. And I guess we're gonna walk back down. So this is a tiny little street with it looks like a lot of law offices. We saw at least two advogados, lawyers. Might have even been a third one in there too somewhere. Santa Casa administration. Okay. So this is a little alley in here, and we're gonna come back out to Senado Square, and then we'll end the video. But it's another little taste of Macau, a little Portuguese element to it, huge Portuguese element. Kind of a historical street based on that sign, I guess. House of Mercy is right here, I guess. There we go. So that's our street right there that we were just on. Yeah, really beautiful area, especially at nighttime. Saturday evening right now, so it's just a great time to be out. Go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha.